The idea of working at Honda Racing in a town that I grew up in was always a passion, always a goal. I think a prestigious brand like Honda was always something that I aspired to be a part of. My career with Honda started in 2003. I did a Honda apprenticeship at a local Honda dealer. 2003 up until the winter of 2015. There was a vacancy that was available here at Louth, and I made the transition to the racing for the 2016 season, working alongside Jason Halloran, which has also made a return this year for 26.
I worked with Scott that year, well, for quite a few years afterwards. He was my #1 mechanic. I've been away for 5 years and come back this year to work with him again.
My career within Honda Racing, obviously I came into the job as lead mechanic and worked with numerous riders throughout the years as mechanic. I then made the transition to crew chief. Career as crew chief, I did 2 years on the Superbike, and then for the latter 2 years working alongside Jack Kennedy with Supersport.
They've been an amazing team together. And I think, what we're looking for Scott to do is to build on that. But something we've been working on for a long time is succession within the team. Scott's been through just about every role in the garage. He drove this truck for a good while before he became crew chief and concentrated on the in-garage duties. He's already been taking a more of a leadership role, let's say, in the garage. And now it's a great opportunity for him to step that up.
The highlight of my career, it's probably that one there. Winning a Supersport championship, a championship is a massive achievement. So to have that under my name was quite nice. It was actually quite a nice stepping stone into the transition or into the area where I am now, because it gave me the little bits and pieces that I needed to start understanding the management role.
The way he's kind of arrived to that role, he understands all the different elements of the team in one respect, but he also has been with Honda a long time, so he knows the way that Honda works.
For 2026, for me, it's all about success. It's got to be success. That's Honda's philosophy. It's all about winning. We've got to be there. We've got to be sharp. We need to be right at the top of our game. We need to bring the goods back, week in, week out. If we could do that, then we'll definitely be in the fight for the championship. If I was to summarise Honda Racing for 2026, it would be New Era.